Workiz is a field service management platform that helps service businesses manage scheduling, customer communication, dispatching, estimates, invoices, and team operations in one system. By the end, you'll know what Workiz does, who it is designed for, and what to consider before switching your business software. Workiz is built for service companies that need better control over daily operations. Instead of managing jobs through separate calendars, messages, spreadsheets, and paperwork, businesses can use one platform to organize important information. The main reason companies consider switching to Workiz is usually workflow problems. Missed appointments, unclear job details, slow communication, and scattered customer information can make daily operations harder to manage. Workiz focuses on connecting different parts of a service business. Companies can use it to organize customer details, manage jobs, communicate with teams, and keep business information in one place. For a small service company, the biggest question is whether switching creates enough improvement to justify changing systems. Changing software takes time. A business needs to move information, learn new processes, and make sure employees understand how to use the platform consistently. Before switching, compare your current software with Workiz feature by feature. Look at the tools you use every day, such as scheduling, dispatching, estimates, invoicing, customer communication, and reporting. If your current system already handles these tasks well, switching may not provide enough value. If your team spends too much time fixing problems caused by disconnected tools, a more centralized platform may help. Workiz is designed for businesses that want more structure in their field operations. It can be useful for companies that need better visibility into jobs, customers, and team activity. The best software choice depends on your workflow. A platform with more features does not automatically make a business more efficient if those features are not used. Before making the switch, identify the biggest operational problems in your company and check whether Workiz directly solves them. Workiz is not a guaranteed upgrade for every service business. It is a tool that works best when its features match the way your company operates. The main points are simple. Workiz helps service businesses organize field operations. Switching software requires planning and training, and the right choice depends on whether it solves your current problems. Your next step is to write down the 3 tasks that slow your team down the most and compare them with what Workiz offers. If this helped you understand whether Workiz is worth switching to, like the video and subscribe for more practical software reviews.